your girl Coco. I'm back once again with another video. And anyway, y'all, it is, I want to say, let me see what time it is. It is 12:41 in the morning, and it's May 17th. Anyway, we're gonna do a story time on how depression took over my life and how it's ruining my life at the moment. So anyway, let's get into the video. Let's go. Alright, y'all. So February 17th was a horrible day for my family. So anyway, during before February 17th, I want to say November the 20th through May 17th through February 17th, 2019, and November 20th, 2018 was really some rough times in my life. Mighty rough. What caused me to get into depression, anxiety, and everything was I lost my best friend July 24th. Yeah, July 24th. And ever since that, to be honest, I've never been the same. Not at all. And y'all, I'm sorry if like I look high or something. I'm not high. I've been crying non-stop. But yeah, so that's what really sorry. That's what really got me into depression, like bad. So I used to cut myself. I still got the scars, like it's right here, like right here. It was bad. And it was going successful until somebody had to find me. We ain't gonna speak on it though. That happened November. It was November the 25th, I guess. Yeah, that was my first suicide attempt. All this during November 20th, 2018 through February 17th, 2019, I stayed in my room. Y'all, the only thing I did, went to school, went to dance. I didn't talk. What else? Went to school, went to dancing, came home. That's it. I'm telling y'all, I never used to go out with my friends. I never used to go nowhere. I just stayed home. So oh my god, why am I crying? I'm not even at the anyway. Yeah, so during that time I never ate. I swear you would be shocked if I ate something. Like I would eat some one time a day. That's it. One time a day. That's it. And that's what really shocked my mom and them. It was like I stopped eating. Like I stopped eating so bad, y'all. Like I had a little meat on me, but after that, like I started getting skinny real bad. So yeah. So I told y'all November the 25th was my first attempt. Alright, y'all. So around, because Um, okay, so November 12th was November 10th was my best friend's birthday, the one that died. And then during that time, December, it really tricked me the most because like y'all, Christmas didn't matter to me. Christmas still don't matter to me to this day no more. Like I'm thankful for like what my mama give me, what my daddy give me, what everybody give me, but it's just like it don't trigger me like that no more. And yeah, I'm sorry y'all. Oh my god. So anyway, yeah, December was a rough life, rough as could be. So anyway, y'all, still during this time, I was going through depression because like, okay, I had got sick. I started losing weight because of my sickness. Started losing weight. Like I wasn't me. I wasn't Courtland. I wasn't the hype one. Like yeah. I wasn't that. Like this how I was. Excuse me. So during that time, I used to always tell myself I wasn't pretty. I'm never gonna get nowhere in life. Nobody loved me. Like nobody, like it was like a lot of stuff. Like I'm telling y'all, I was really beating myself down, physically and mentally. Like I'm telling y'all, my stab wounds, I got some on my leg, and a lot of stuff. Like y'all didn't see my leg, so I ain't gonna show y'all that one right there, and then that one right here. Those two right here. I'm not gonna show y'all those two, but I'm gonna put a picture in the thumbnail. So anyway, and I always told my mama and my dad that was that was some scars from me falling, knowing damn well that was not no scars, that was me cutting myself. But yeah, so that happened. Like I'm telling y'all, I really was doing some damage to my body because I was so insecure about my body. I was so insecure about life in general. I was so insecure about what people thought about me. Like I'm telling y'all, I really went off of what people thought about me. And some people were like, Courtney, you're not gonna get nowhere. Like I'm telling y'all, I took that into like my mind. Like I took that into like, yeah, that's true and stuff. So and then I got sexually harassed big time. Yeah, I didn't tell nobody this until February 17th when I told my mother every single thing, because I had to tell her and I had to tell some lady, and it was hard, y'all. I'm telling y'all, it was hard as hell to tell them what I went through. It was very hard. It was hard to just like to get dressed. Like y'all, I would get dressed and I'll be like, I would smile and then like all of a sudden like my face would turn into a frown. Like I'm not pretty. Like I feel like it was so much. I'm telling y'all. I went from the pretty Courtland to like them depressed. Like it was just not me. So anyway, I had told my friends, we're not friends, we not friends to this day that much, but I told my friends, you know who they are, about what was going on in my life, and it was like I finally got somebody on my team. So I was like, you know, I'm happy for them. I'm happy for they had me. I remember one time I was sleeping in class, and I went home, and I seen a note in my book saying, I'm like, I did not put that up. I was like, I said, I know I didn't wrote no notes down. Checked it. It was one of my friends. I still got this note to this day. I just don't remember where it's at. I think it's right now. But it was like, Coco, we got you no matter what. You know. And I ain't gonna lie, I still love them girls to this day. Regardless of what happened. And it was just so much, y'all. It's like I don't wanna say everything, but I wanna say everything. But anyway, so whenever I would be in that room by myself, I would think about my best friend. Alright, y'all, my best friend is my grandfather. That was really my backbone. Like, that was my backbone. And I always think about how my life would be different with them. And y'all don't understand how hard it is to walk or just to be alive with the same person that had just the same issues as you. You see, like, you never had, like, y'all don't understand. I watched my grandfather die in my face. It was hard as hell to believe that he left me. Me and him really got close to the few at the end of his, you know, life. But we really was still close though. But anyway, y'all, that happened. And I would think about my sister too, how it would be, you know, if my sister was still here. Like, y'all, I'm telling y'all, I had a suicide note and everything. If I could find it, I'm gonna put it down now. And I'm gonna show y'all. But yeah, so how suicide ruined my life now. It's like I can't trust nobody because everybody didn't care about me during that situation, you know. So it was like, I'm not gonna, you see, it ruined my life with relationships and everything. It's so bad. I just keep my head up and I push through it. Like, that depression, it fucks up my life. It fucks up my life. Because I could never do nothing right. Never could do nothing right. I'm telling y'all. Like, I put my anger into my text messages. Like, if somebody say I didn't do something, I'm telling y'all, I'm putting forth. Like, I'm telling y'all that I did everything in my power to stay up and believe in myself. But at the end of the day, it's a time to go and it's a time to stay. And I feel like God wanted me to stay, so at my suicide moments, attempts, he didn't want me to go successful. And to this day, I pray it was successful, because it's like I can't do this no more. I can't. I even got, like, I got videos, Now I made a video with me telling my mom and them goodbye. No, it was a lot of stuff. But y'all, I don't have a part.